Oh my gosh. Fix these potholes. Hey y'all, today's Saturday. We're gonna run some errands, not too many because saving up, you know, but happy Saturday. I'm about to go to Burlington. I haven't been to Burlington for a very long periodically time, but I have to go so I can do my closet. I want to finish cleaning my closet up, so I'm doing not too much craziness, but here, this is a pile of every single one of my pants, jeans, slacks, work pants. All of my pants are right here. Hold on. So I took all my work pants down so I can put them all in individual hangers. They were all folded right here under my shirts, but I don't like that anymore because I can't really see what I have. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some hangers and I'm gonna hang them right here. Take all of my sneakers out and put them somewhere up there or whatever. I just want to fix up my closet, fix up my purse. So I want to get some type of organizer if I can find one, but I'm just trying to get creative and just clean this space up before the year's over. So that's what I'm about to do. These are all clean. I just took them down so I can see how much space I have up there. I actually might put the sneakers up here because I don't wear my sneakers as much. That's a good idea. And then hang all of my pants going down here, because nothing necessarily has to be down there. So yeah, that's what we're about to do right now. I want to get my car washed as well, so we'll see about that. I probably will, just to make my car smell good and be good again, because it got wet in the rain for this supposed hurricane that just happened. So my car got extremely wet from me going in and out. Probably gonna pick up some lunch somewhere, because there's nothing really here to eat besides dinner, which I want to save for dinner. Oh, let me get a water. But yeah, that's what we're about to do. About to get this show on the road.
Shoppers, we want you to shop with confidence and absolutely love what you find. Our goal is your complete satisfaction. That's why, if for any reason you're not 100% happy with your purchase,
Oh my God, this is so cute.
William, can you come up front, please, William?
I feel like I want this. No, I don't need it. So pretty. This is cute. Oh my God, Burlington. 55. This is really cute. I like this. They got all the cute little bags. Okay. Burlington. $30. That's crazy. 8.5. That's my size. I just need one slip-on shoe. I can't find. I need the one that can twerk. Ooh. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. So cute. Wow. I'm getting this. But I'm gonna get it. I could use it to put my lip gloss and take pictures for my my website. This is good for the business. Think about if the lip gloss or something was in, I took a picture and it's holiday. So shopping was a success at the Burlington. Shopping was great at Burlington. I had a great time in there. Got everything I needed. I got some slip-on shoes for work. I didn't get brown, and I left the Nikes because The size 9 was $39.99 and the size 8.5 was $29.99. And extra why is there a $10 difference if they're the exact same shoe at Burlington? I would understand if we're at Foot Locker, you know, the bigger the size it runs, but this is Burlington. They're the exact same shoe. They're a clearance shoe at that. Like, why? And they're like, well, they can do anything. So I said, well, I'm leaving both of them. Oh my gosh. Fix these potholes. That is so dangerous. Hurry up. Okay, whatever. But yeah. Oh my gosh, this is not Chick-fil-A line. Look at this. So all these people. Oh, I'm gonna wait either way because I ordered. This is why I stick to the North Lake, because Palm Beach Lake Chick-fil-A just be tripping. They don't even let you do curbside when it's busy. North Lake will still do it even if the line is wrapped around, because curbside people get in and out. Anyway, we are gonna get something to eat, then I'm gonna go home and we're gonna start the closet. So that's what I'm about to do. And then later on, this guy is coming to clean my car, so I need to take stuff out so that he can clean it better. So put everything in a little baggie is what I'm gonna do after I finish my closet. I want to go see Wakanda Forever tonight, so we'll see if DJ wants to come after he gets off work. A little date night. We haven't been to the movie in a very long time, so but yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Just gonna get me some food. I ate breakfast, but I didn't finish it because it just wasn't really what I wanted, so I didn't really eat. But it is what it is. Plucking my chin hairs. I don't see how people walk around knowing that they have hair under their chin and they don't take it out. The best place for me to do it is in the car because I can see everything from this mirror. So, if you ever drive next to me, you'll see me plucking. Pluck your hairs, guys. I think I'm gonna do a dermaplane too today. I'm probably gonna shave my face. I haven't done that in a while. Get all this extra peach fuzz off my face. I'm probably gonna do that too. While the guy's doing my car, I can do that. It's my favorite. Look at the color. I should try this color a long time ago, but it's cool. But yeah, so eat, closet, dermaplane, facial, organize my bathroom closet a little bit more, car wash, maybe the movies. That's gonna be my weekend vlog. And then I'm gonna show you guys everything I got when I get home from Burlington, because y'all didn't get to see everything, so I was trying not to vlog too much because I was on FaceTime as well, so there's just a little bit going on. But anyways, I'm gonna get my food, and when I get my food, I got something. I have something to show y'all. I've been in line for 25 minutes now. Come on, Chick-fil-A. I need to start using my coupon book. I just realized I got all these amazing coupons. Duffy's, Jamba Juice. There's a lot of stuff in here.
Berry?
Yep. Can I get sauce? I forgot to ask for sauce.
Get sauce?
Yeah. Chick-fil-A in Polynesia.
Can I get Chick-fil-A in Polynesia?
Oh, thank you. Me too.
Yes, it's right there.
They see me rolling. They hating. Wow, 2 of my future cars. Let me not hit it. Q7. Okay, I see you, Q. It ain't Q. This is Q7 too, I think. Yep, 2 7s. Because I gotta eat my fries while I'm in the car. But I'm about to test out the thing that I bought in Burlington real quick. I'm about to try it right now. And then we're gonna go get it out of the trunk because it's in one of the bags in the back. Let's go get it. Oh, pop, pop, pop. Okay. Big bag. Okay, so this is a French fry car holder. It was $2.99. Yes, I bought it because why not? So We're about to test it out right now. So you guys, I was in Burlington and I saw this and I just had to have it. French fry car holder. I mean, because who doesn't need this? Ah, we're about to try it right now. Let's go. All right, so I'm about to open this thing. Okay. Oh, it's hard. I thought it was gonna be like super rubbery, but it's actually very sturdy. So you put this part obviously in your cup holder thing right here. So let's put it in. I cannot believe I just bought this for $3. But it's very hard and sturdy. All right, let's put it in. Do not judge me because my car is dirty and it's getting clean today actually. Thank you very much, like for real. All right, so here it is. We're putting it in. Okay. Oop. It's cute. Is it worth $3? Yes, look at it. It's cute. I think it's cute. It's just cute. I think it's cute. I think this is worth the money. What do y'all think? Was this a waste? Let's test it. So I got my Chick-fil-A here. Let's get the fries out. I should have got a large. This ain't no medium. Cute. Oh, snap. Who you know got a fry holder? It's not going nowhere. Okay. A large probably won't fit in here though. FYI, but it's cute. I like it. $3 worth it. Yup. So that's that. Open my sauce. I wish there was like a port that pulled out to put my sauce in. That would really sell me. While I'm going to work every day to teach, somebody's getting rich off of fry holders for the car. Ain't that something? I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. It would have been a 10 out of 10 had they had a little compartment right here so I could put my sauce. You would have sold me. So, wow, we are out here working every day. Somebody's getting rich off of a French fry car holder. I ain't mad.